Hi! We got some incredible updates from the open network today. A new smart contract battle with serious rewards and fresh results from the Jupiter aggregator competition. Let's dive in. Join the ultimate smart contract challenge powered by Tact, organized by Tact Studio and Code Forces. A new Tact challenge is launching on April 21st, and there is a $20,000 Tact coin prize pool on the line. You will have 7 days to complete 5 smart contract tasks. Simple voting, a basic voting system. Serial voting, multiple proposals managed through a master contract. Scalable voting, with support for up to 4 billion voters. Voting with refunds, when voters can get their funds back. And gas managed voting, with fully optimized contracts. The top 128 participants will split the prize pool and receive exclusive soulbound tokens with on-chain developer reputation. Everyone who submits a valid solution also gets a participant SBT. And here's the kicker, top performers may be invited to job interviews at Tact Studio. The challenge starts April 21st and ends on April 28th. Check all the materials and register using the link in the description. Good luck, and may your contracts be efficient and bug-free. Moving on, time to check out the results of the Tact x Jupiter aggregator competition. In March 2025, Tact Foundation and Jupiter, Solana's top DEX aggregator, kicked off a competition to boost swap infrastructure on Tact. After a thorough review with TactBit, it's time to announce the winners. Give a hand to DDoS and Swap Coffee stood out for their top-tier code, product vision, and impact, earning audit support, advisory, and investor access. Honorable mentions go to Titan, Rainbow Swap, Bridgers, and Moki. Huge thanks to all teams shaping Tact's DeFi future. That's it for today's Tact news. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.